Good morning, children. In this module, we are going to discuss about the different types of human capital as well as the importance of the human capital formation in our economy. So, like the other physical capital as well as the financial capital, how far this human capital formation also benefits our economy. This we are going to discuss in this module. And for that, let me explain what is human capital once again. The human capital refers to the stock of the skill and the expertise of a nation at a point of time. It is a sum total of the skill and expertise of engineers, doctors, professors and workers of all types who are engaged in the process of production. This is the definition of human capital. So, the human capital means the stock of the skill and the expertise of a nation at a point of time. That is referred as human capital. And there are two types of capital: fiscal capital and financial capital. Fiscal capital refers to all the factors of production such as machineries, buildings or equipments, etc. That is physical capital. The capital which can be tangible as well as visible, all we can call it as the fiscal capital. Then financial capital refers to the stock and the shares of the companies. All types of stocks, shares, bonds and the debentures. So if we invest in all these assets, we can call it as the financial capital of our country. Next, we will discuss about the role of the human capital formation in our economy. How far it contributes to our economic growth. Human capital formation generates a change in the emotional and the material environment of the growth. Emotional environment becomes conducive to the growth as people tend to acquire growth-oriented attitude and aspirations. Material environment becomes helpful to growth as the society now possesses higher number of skilled and trained workers to implement the plans and the programs of the economic growth. So this is the first point of human capital formation and economic growth. That is, the material environment becomes helpful to growth as the society now possesses higher number of skilled and trained workers to implement the plans and the programs of the economic growth. Next, the second point deals with innovative skills. It facilitates innovations, the undercurrent of growth and development. Larger the number of skilled and trained personnel, greater the possibilities of innovations in the area of production and related activities. Innovation is the lifeline of growth. And the next point is the higher rate of participation and equality. By enhancing the productive capacities of the labor force, human capital formation produces greater employment. This increases the rate of participation. Higher the rate of participation, the greater the degree of economic and social equality in the society. Higher the rate of participation, higher degree of equality are the pointers to growth with social justice called development. So we can ensure the equality. And the last point is the higher productivity of the physical capital. Human capital formation increases the productivity of the physical capital. Specialized engineers and skilled workers can certainly handle machines better than the others. It enhances the productivity and accelerates the pace of growth. So these are the 4 points of how human capital formation increases the economic growth and thereby contributes to economic development also. So, my dear children, I hope this module is clear for you. Thank you.